I love this router. Do you have the same one as well? No bullshitting. It's got a fatal flaw with the switch, and watch this video and I can save you from having to throw yours in the bin. So I just turned the router off and I was about to turn it back on again to do the next piece. She broken. I've decided to fix my router and dismantled it probably more than what I need to, and this is the part that's broken. It's a linkage between the switch and the button, and it's ridiculously thin and brittle. Ozito have parts, but not this part. One option is to 3D print it, and that might work, but I'm first going to try repairing it. I've got it set up in this little makeshift jig. This is chip packet material, stops the glue from sticking to it. So I was going to put some pins through here, except I don't think that will be as strong as this plate glued on top. The only thing to be aware of is that the underside of this is running up against live wires, the wires of the motor. So I reckon as long as this is on the top, it's thin enough, should do the job. now the moment of truth. Has my repair job worked? So I've analysed what went wrong. The linkage that connects this button to the on-off switch inside the mechanism here is too weak. Also, when you push it up and lock it on, the way to release it is to push down and it snaps back. So what happened with me is that I used it, turned it off, went to turn it on again, and it was broken. So that action of releasing can be quite violent, and in this case snapped it. So what I need to be mindful of is turn it on and then use my thumb to lever it down and then just release it like that. All good. If you own one of these, I suggest that you do that when you turn it off. Otherwise you'll break the linkage as well.